हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट अंडर द लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ पीरियोडिक फंक्शंस. वन स्टेटमेंट वी हैव फॉर दिस पीरियोडिक फंक्शन. ये स्टेटमेंट इस तरह से है: इफ एफ ऑफ टी इज ए पीरियोडिक फंक्शन विथ पीरियड कैपिटल टी, that is, if it is represented f of t plus capital T, which is equals to again original function f of t, then Laplace of f of t is equals to 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus s capital T 0 to capital T e raised to minus st f of t dt. So this is the statement of periodic function. Now understood what the meaning of this f of t plus capital T is equals to f of t. It means ये जो पीरियड t है वो अगर हम फंक्शन में ऐड करते हैं, still it gives the original function f of t. So this is the meaning of periodic function. Now we'll understood this periodic nature by using graphical nature. Suppose I consider this is a graph. Now, how we call this nature as a periodic nature? Now see here, suppose this value it is 1 coordinates for x, y. Now this is a periodic nature. Now compare the interval 0 to 1. Now in this interval, the nature is, this is a triangle. Now the same nature we have for 1 to 2, the same nature we have for 2 to 3. And if I imagine for any interval, suppose 100 to 101, we can trace the nature. Now such natures we call it as a periodic nature. जो नेचर एक ब्लॉक के लिए आपको दिया है, सपोज दिस इज अ ब्लॉक, वो नेचर अगर आप किसी भी इंटरवल के लिए इमेजिन कर सकते हो तो उस नेचर को हम कहेंगे पीरियोडिक नेचर. सो दिस इज वन एग्जांपल ऑफ पीरियोडिक नेचर. नाउ इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू ट्रेस द व्हाट इज द नेचर इन दिस इंटरवल. So there is no any question mark because we can easily trace for this interval the nature is again a triangle. So here the question mark will not occur. So this is a prediction by using the given nature. तो इसीलिए हम इसे कहेंगे periodic function. So here f of t or f of x, okay, this is y function. Now in this interval the line is 0, 0 coordinate and the coordinate of this it is 1, 1. So y equal to x line. अब y की जगह हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे f of x and the interval is 0 to 1. So in this the function is defined f of x is equals to x in the interval 0 to 1. So this is a periodic nature. The same nature we have is equals to f of t. अगर हम कोई भी इंटरवल यानी पीरियड कंसीडर कर लेते हैं, सपोज दिस इज पीरियड 0 टू t, अगर वही पीरियड हम 1 टू 2 के लिए अगर कंसीडर करेंगे, स्टिल इट गिव्स द ओरिजिनल फंक्शन f of t. इसमें भी वही नेचर है, 1, 1 दिस इज द कोऑर्डिनेट एंड दिस इज 2, 2. So it goes on continue. So we call it as a periodic function for such natures. One more nature I will complete here. What the natures are periodic nature. Suppose this is 0 to pi and suppose this is y axis and this is x axis. Now when the nature is repeated in a periodic form. अगर मैं यहां से स्टार्ट कर देता हूं सपोज 0 से, सो 0 से मैंने स्टार्ट कर दिया, दिस इज द नेचर 0 to pi. Is it the interval 0 to pi a periodic nature? No. Because for pi, again it is not started like this. It goes in the downward direction. तो इसका जो नेचर था यहाँ पे ये पीरियड के लिए, वही पीरियड के लिए यहाँ पर वो नेचर नहीं है. तो इसीलिए 0 to pi, this is not a complete periodic nature. Now if we consider pi to 2 pi, and if we end at this position, so from pi to 2 pi, what the nature we have? It goes in the downward direction, and this is the nature. Now our actual interval is 0 to 2 pi. Now the periodic nature belongs in this interval 0 to 2 pi. अब see here, अगर मैं इसे 0 पोजीशन एज्यूम कर लेता हूं, so this is 0 pi and it comes at 2 pi. Again it ends at 4 pi. So for this block, the nature is, this is upward, downward, so this is 1 and minus 1. Similarly, for this, again it is 1 and it is minus 1. So the same nature we have for 2 pi to 4 pi. So this is one periodic nature. This is the same nature we have in the another interval. Now because of this, we can imagine nth interval, suppose 100 pi and 102 pi. Now what is the nature in this interval? So it is not necessary to predict. We know that this is nothing but 10 pi and this is 102 pi. So easily we can trace, because we understood what the nature in the given period we have. So this complete the meaning of periodic functions. Like that we have some example in the industry. Suppose a car making company we have, and if we want to buy 100 cars of one model, so it is not necessary that to see 100 model actually of each piece. हर पीस को एक्चुअली आपको देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. What you will do? You will see only one model. You will see only one model of that car, and you imagine that what will be the 100, what will be the 1000 piece of that model, and you purchase it. So it is in periodic nature. So by seeing one model of that car, you can imagine what will be the 100, what will be the 1000 piece of that car, and you imagine and you complete it, your task. So that nothing but your periodic nature. So these are nothing but our examples related with the periodic function. Again, in day-to-day life we have so many examples regarding this periodic nature. A giant wheel, it is nothing but one of the example of periodic function. Giant wheel is look like suppose persons are sitting here, कुछ लोग यहाँ पे giant wheel में बैठे हैं, और suppose this is our position. At this position, suppose the time is 11 o'clock, and it rotate and it complete one cycle for 5 minutes. Again, the position of this person after 5 minutes, it comes again to that position. So what will be the period here? The period is 5 minutes. capital T value is 5 minutes. So it take 5 minutes to complete one wheel, one cycle, and then it comes at original position. So if I want to find out the person is sitting at 6 o'clock at any position, what is the position of that person at 6.05 minutes? So again it comes to be the same position. So every after 5 minutes its position is same. So ये भी हो गया, it is one of the example of periodic function. So we understood the concept. Now we will discuss the problem under the heading of periodic functions.